Hey, what's up everybody? Austin here, Speedy Vinyl. Wanted to do another video for you guys today about a couple things. So, I told you in the video yesterday, which I didn't put up yet, so maybe you'll see it today. So the video you just watched, sorry, never mind. That I would show you guys the new electric colors. I've got them ready to go finally. I dropped the ball on that one. There's nothing else I can say about that. Those came out about a week ago. But I got them here. They're really pretty, super cool colors. They are going to be on the website ready to go by the time you see this video. So the first one is called Peacock Teal. And it's very similar to regular teal. But it's a little bit more, I think it has a little bit more green to it. I think Peacock Teal is an excellent name for this. This is the color I think of when I say that name. So, really cool color. The other one is Spearmint, which is, it's almost like a, God, that fluorescent light is killing it. Let me back up a little bit. It's almost like a light blue. It's very Spearminty, another name that I think they nailed right on the head. So those are the new electric colors. I did want to show you guys our grab bag. So as a lot of you may have seen, we have a flat rate shipping of $6.95 across the board for less than $50. Anything above $50 is free shipping. It's going to be standard shipping. So there's no guarantee on which way it'll go. But we do have some additional options if you want to make sure that it comes a certain way or whatever. We do offer a priority shipping upgrade that includes a free grab bag. So essentially you end up paying like $3 for shipping, which is, pretty good. It's not free shipping, I know, but you're also getting some product out of it. And I wanted to show you guys what those grab bags are, and what is in them, what you can expect if you haven't gotten one, or you've seen it and you're just, I don't know, whatever. Because there's not really a description. We do sell them every once in a while, but I've kind of been reserving them for the shipping thing because so many of you guys like that option. We used to do the squeegees, and if you like the free squeegees, let us know, and maybe we can do something with that too, and we'll do, some more promotions around those. But I want to show you guys what's in the grab bag. So I just grabbed one off my stack, and I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to show you guys what's in it. So give me just a minute. I'm going to flip the camera around and get it set up so that I can show you guys what's in there. All right, hold tight for me. Okay, so let's show you guys exactly what's in our grab bags. Okay, so first thing you're going to notice is the sheet that comes with it. It's just going to talk a little bit about the different vinyls that could be in your grab bag, things to look out for, things to help you identify. Obviously, if you ever have questions, please reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to tell you if you're not sure on what something is, or if you want to make sure that you get the correct name because you want to reorder it or whatever. So this one in particular, and we've tried to make these better. We're always trying to make them better. So this is pretty heavy. There's a lot of material in here, okay? So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so just pull the whole thing out here. So there's our bag. Here's our sheet again, okay, that comes with it. So right out of the gate, we've got some Ultra Glitter adhesive. This is rosy gold. And the reason that it's in the grab bag is that right there. We try not to send anything that has any imperfections out. It gets thrown in a pile and eventually put into a grab bag. So that's a full sheet. Now this one in particular has a bunch of these kind of, it's about a 3-inch by 12-inch piece. These ones in particular are all HTV, so we got black, red, and burgundy. We've got navy, white, royal blue, another black, another burgundy, another black, another red, burgundy, white, navy, royal blue. Evidently that's what was in the stack when these were getting put together. More black, more burgundy. So there's, you know, you put all these together, there's probably a full sheet of each color, at least. There's a lot here. There's probably, I don't even know, there's 10, 15 sheets, okay, of these slivers. Now, these are small, but they're meant to be a sample. These grab bags are really meant to allow you to play with the material, see what you like, see what you don't like before you order stuff. So, you know, I mean, look at that. This is included. You get this. This comes with, if you get faster shipping, which by the way, priority shipping comes with $100 of insurance for free, no extra cost to you. Generally, it's going to arrive much faster, 2 to 3 days. I wouldn't say, let me redact that, not much faster. Our standard shipping is usually anywhere from 2 to 5 days, generally speaking. Sometimes the holidays can skew that a little bit, or if there's a federal holiday or whatever, but priority shipping is generally 2 to 3 days, depending on where you're at in relation to us. Beautiful thing about us is we're kind of centered. We're a little bit more on the West Coast, but being in Colorado, we're pretty close to the center of the states. So, you know, it's really just the outskirts that take the 3 days on priority. But like I said, that's all estimate. Sometimes unfortunately, it can be an extra day, but sometimes it's like next day. So we've got all those. So we've got the Ultra Glitter. We've got, 12 sheets of 3 by 12 Caesar Easy Weed, okay? Looks like we've got some white 651. That's a full sheet. I don't even know why that's just a full sheet. Maybe it doesn't even look small. So that's full sheet. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full sheets of white HTV. I am honestly, this is I haven't seen this many in a pack before. This one, somebody might have pinched off the top a little too much when it was getting assembled. But good news is you're getting this for free, and you know, we don't really check these things. We just pull them. We've got a huge stack of them, and you know, I set a stack of them right next to our packing table, and I just throw it in the box. You know, and some of these are, you know, they're thick. There's good material in here, guys, and I mean, there's tons of different stuff. You know, this one's got white Ultra Glitter. That one's got, looks like some Caesar PSV and stuff in it. I know I've seen all the material goes into it. There's strip block, there's reflective, there's HTV, there's stretch, there's brick, there's glitter, there's everything you can think of, okay? Tons and tons of stuff. So we don't pick and choose. I just grab a pack and throw it in the box, and I just pulled this one right off the top. But so seven sheets. These look like full sheets. I'm not sure why these are even in here. 7 full sheets of white HTV. I mean, you can't be mad about that. So, you know, this is $30 worth of vinyl that you're getting for free. You know, just included with your upgraded shipping. So, just so you guys know, I wanted to show you guys what the grab bags were, you know, what you get, why it's worth doing. You know, there's your answer. You tell me. Let me know if you guys think that this is worth it, if you guys like these packs. We'll keep switching it up with the free stuff on that priority shipping upgrade. Probably do some other free stuff here as well with shipping. And we'll probably do some free stuff just in general. I've got some giveaways planned and some other things like that. So, you know, check those out. Check out the new Caesar Electric colors on the website. Check out all the stuff. Check it out. Print, everything. Our buffalo plaid, I'm telling you right now, is the best buffalo plaid there is. Nobody makes it better than I do. I send the highest quality. It's the cleanest. I use heavy ink so that it's very vibrant, really deep color. Print we make is the best, hands down. So check out all the print. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you guys are thinking. Let us know what you guys think of the products. Show us the stuff that you guys are making. We'd love to see it. Send us suggestions on videos that you'd like to see, things that you want to see us do. Marcy is going to be working on a lot of how-to videos over the next couple of weeks. And so hopefully we'll get those. I'll be able to get those edited and put up to help you guys with your projects. And I know that a lot of you are hoping, fingers crossed, for a Cricketer cameo from Santa Claus this year. So as you're getting into that, definitely check us out for that, for your how-to stuff. As always, reach out if you have any questions. We're here to help. We want to help make you guys as successful as possible. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Have a very wonderful day, and don't forget to get you a grab bag on your next order. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.